Introducing Kasco's RobustAire Systems that are designed for depths of 8 feet or more. The shore-mounted compressor pushes air through self-weighted lines to a dual-loop diffuser at the bottom of your pond, lake, or tank. This diffuser releases micro-bubbles that mix large volumes of water, improving oxygen transfer and water quality. These systems help eliminate thermal and chemical stratification, expand fish habitats, and improve overall water quality. They are designed for continuous operation and are 34% quieter than previous models, making them perfect for various applications, including backyard ponds, industrial uses, and winter kill prevention. With these features, Kasco's RobustAire Systems are a reliable and efficient solution for maintaining healthy water bodies. Kasco offers multiple cabinet options. For added flexibility, you can opt for a remote manifold. Visit us today at www.yardfocus.com or call 800-242-6952.